Hello, strategic thinkers. This is a quick video to give you a tour of our newly updated app. So we're really excited of our new features and updates. And so with this video, we'll give you a tour around so you can get started working with your team and AI companions. So when you first come to sts42.com and you log in, come to this page, and then from there, you'll go to all of your folders. And so when you first create an account, you have a team with your name and the team. And then within your teams, you have folders. And so I want to just explain a little bit about the structure within STS. Teams are basically at the top. And then after that, you have folders that live within each team. And so you have the ability to control who has access to your work through which teams and folders that you create. So for example, I have my team, and my team, let's say I just have this one folder, this Welcome to STS42. I'm the only one that can see this. Let's say I create a folder, I'll just call it example, and I add it to a team. I'm going to add it to my team. My team is the only one that's going to see that folder. So anything I put within that folder, now I could put on my boards, I'm the only one that's going to see that. So let me back up and just say again, that's like teams are first, whoever's in your team, like I have the whole STS team, for example, here, so that's everybody within the company. I have a department. It's just the people that work in my department. And then I have a select team that I share specific folders with. So only those people within those teams are going to see the folders that I share with them. So I'll give you an example here of templates. So you see here, it's just the STS team. Just as this example, it was just my team. So now to go a little bit deeper, within my folder, it's a folder of boards, and boards are where we're going to do our work. So in this particular folder called templates, I have a board called create a marketing strategy, scale your company, negotiations, and team meetings. These are templates that we've created so that we can come in and use them each time we want to have, say, run a team meeting, or we have negotiations, or we want to work on our marketing strategy. So I'll go into this board. So we'll go a little bit deeper here now. So this is the board. And within each board, we have frames. So this frame here is where I could do work on, say, for this step. So in this case, creating a marketing strategy, this is one way you can do layouts of boards. You can do this like a workflow where you have steps 1, 2, 3, and just keep going to the right and left, or maybe up and down to do the work that you need to do. So if you need to make a decision, create strategy, you can go from left to right or from top to bottom. Depends on how you want to do your workflow. So this is a template we created for creating a marketing strategy. So at first, we're going to identify our audience in this particular frame. And then within each frame, we have lists. So the white area is a list, and the lists are a list of cards. So let's say our shared values are things like honesty, transparency. So that could be another fairness. You know, these kind of values you can add, or whatever this particular list is asking for. You can just type here in this space, and it'll create the cards just below. So this is a board, this is a frame, and this is a list of cards. With this video, I really wanted to just give you an idea of the hierarchy. There's teams, there's folders that live within the teams, and once you go into your folders, they're folders of boards, particular work that you're going to do. And then once you go into a board, you have the layout of frames and your lists and the cards, which is individual items within each list. Okay, so make sure to watch our next videos on how to take advantage of some of the amazing features within each board, including working with your very own AI sales, finance, or creativity consultants. You can use existing templates like we saw here, or create your own for your specific requirements and work. I mean, we're building amazing new templates with our community every day, and we can't wait to see you solve complex problems, make better decisions, and reach your objectives when you build your very own strategic thinking systems with STS. Thanks for watching.